The mission in Afghanistan is changing. It's taking on a completely different role. The NATO Secretary General Anders Fogh Rasmussen held a press conference to detail NATO's future mission in Afghanistan.
We are planning a new mission to train, advise and assist the Afghan forces after 2014. The mission will be called Resolute Support. The new mission will not be ISAF by another name. Its aim will be to train, advise and assist the Afghan forces, not substitute for them. Over the last 11 years, we have given the Afghans the space to build their future. With this new mission, we will continue to support them. But ultimately, it is for the Afghans to determine their own future.
At the NATO headquarters in Brussels, Belgium, I'm Airman Benjamin Landon.